All right, in this video we're going to talk about this product. So the way you see, I have it in div. So this is one of the cheapest one I saw on Amazon, and it looks decent. So I want to tell you my experience with this product. So basically you can have it inside of your pants or outside. So I'll show you both options, so just in case if you want to get something like this. And it protects the trigger. It's okay. If you don't do anything weird, I think it will be okay. It says model 19, 19X, 25, 32, and 44 is the one I have. And here you have the different generations. So as you can see here, it comes with the tool. I never had to take it out, but this is the way it's supposed to be used. But I found out that you can use it in another way. So sticking out, so outside of your pants. So now I'm going to show you the product closely, so that way you can see it. So basically it comes like that. Always check, make sure that there is nothing, so completely empty. So you can run even a pen here. There we go, nothing here. And also you can check here in the chamber, and there is nothing there. So that is out of the way. So this is where you're going to get here. So you can put it inside or outside. Like I said, it protects the, I mean, it's very simple. I think even you can maybe even 3D print it. So if you have a regular magazine, I think it will be okay. If you do some exercise or something like that, it may fall, you know. The only workaround, I think, is if you put it backwards and try to push it, and then yes, it's going to stay, you see. It's not going anywhere, but I don't know if that is a good idea. Other than that, I think maybe if you're jogging, you don't know, you know, anything weird, no acrobatics or anything like that, I think it will be okay. So also I have the super long one, and this one is like very, very extremely loose. If you put it backwards, I think it would be okay. Other than that, it's fine. So here we have it. So if you have one inside, another one here, you can have 30 rounds easily. So I bought this one. This is the, I think I have it here. This is 15 rounds. So if you buy 2 of these, this is the extra. You can have 30 rounds. Otherwise, if you want the crazy ones, you can have this one, and with this you have 25 rounds in one of these. So it's crazy, but it's going to be sticking out, and most likely, I don't know if you're going to be able to use it. So yeah, I think yes, you could. It's not going to be pretty. Other than that, I'll show you, so the way you see how it looks like. I want to show you the other camera. So I have it here. So you have 2 ways. I saw another YouTubers doing the same thing. So if you want to use it like this, let's say that you're in the range, or you don't mind, you know, showing your tool. I think in my case it would be a bad idea, because if you have bad guys and they see your tool, they may want to steal from you, or they want to take you down before you do anything else. So always it's better to have it concealed so people will not see. But if you're in the range, and if you want to shoot it like that, you see, this is one way to do it. You don't have to lift the arm very much. So here is like that. And I saw, again, another YouTuber doing the same thing, and it's fine. So I don't see any problem. So it's something that to get used to it. Otherwise, maybe you can buy something else. And if you want to use it inside, I'll show you how it looks like. So basically, if you want to have it inside, you have it like this. So it will look more like you see it on the picture, and you have to lift it up here. You know, the arm, you have to lift it up more. So to me, I like more the other way around. But if you are going to customers or something like that, maybe having fun outside or something, and you don't want people, you know, to see it, at least you're not going to people are not going to be able to tell, except if they know you, or I don't know, if you bend in a certain way and they see something like that. Otherwise, in my case, for instance, I use my phone this way all the time, or maybe if you want to have it in front of you, something like that. I don't know if it's going to be a good idea or not, and people will see, okay, you have the phone, and plus you have this. It seems like it's going to be a little bit bulky, but people will say, okay, maybe it's the phone. That is why you see this protrusion here. So the print is not that big. If you use it like that, I think it will be okay. And the other one is same thing. You can use it here on the side, or if you want to use it like they are suggesting, you know, inside of your pants, you can have it like that, and put it like this, and you should be good. So hopefully, if you don't run too hard or anything like that, I think you should be good. So I'm going to remove the phone, and that's it. So you can have both at the same time, and that's it. So I think in the best case scenario, it will be maybe something even a little bit looser than what I have right now. Other than that, I mean, seems fine. So that's it for now. So if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. See you next time.